everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to start ripping this floor out. I don't think I need any structurals for it, because I don't think it's a real structural thing. The biggest pain in the arse is going to be getting this seat pan out. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the valance first, get it off, and then just start kind of working around everything. And I'm going to try to save the braces that's underneath here, so what I'm going to do is cut this out around here, and then just try to peel these off as much as I can. Yeah, it's probably going to be fun. And I'm sure I'll cut into something I wasn't supposed to and all good that kind of good stuff. But yeah, let's get the grinder out and start cutting. Alrighty, got the valance off. Wasn't as hard as I thought. Look how rotted this thing is. Pretty nasty. This thing here is pretty rotted too. I got the Magnum panel for that. I'm hoping that I don't run into like some real bad rot right there, but I think I'm going to. I think I'm gonna have to probably make me a panel for that. But I have the repair panel that goes to here, I think, for this. It's pretty crappy. What's funny is that repair panel there, if you just buy it from hinge to hinge, is like 18 bucks US. But if you buy the whole thing, it's something like 300 bucks US, which is kind of ridiculous. I'm a little nervous on getting this thing cut out because I don't want to run into anything weird, but I'm just going to kind of work it just slow and just keep on cutting it out. Take my time. I know there's some kind of braces like right in here that I got to be careful with. But yeah, let's just start working on it. Okay, the main part of the boot floor is out for the most part. Didn't come out too awful bad. I gotta clean all this back, and I gotta get in here and get little precision get all the spot welds out there. There's a little bracket right here. That's the reason why I didn't cut that off. I'm gonna cut that out and then probably try to salvage that bracket. But yeah, I got a bunch of pop rivets or spot welds I gotta get right here. Hopefully it won't be too bad. There's a little shoddy repair right here that somebody did years ago that I'm gonna have to probably try to fix. Yeah, I think what I'm gonna do also before I put the floor back in, I think I'm gonna clean the inside of this boot up real good and get it primered, rust reformed. That way it doesn't rust anymore. Slowly but surely, we're getting it. But yeah, now comes the fun part of all the little spot welds that I get to dig out. But okay, I'll bring you back when I get something else done. Hey everybody, we're back. So I got that lip off, basically it was the valance, the boot floor combo there, and unfortunately it looks like my little $17 repair piece has ended up being the $300 repair piece because I got pretty gnarly holes up in here. It's pretty bad. I didn't think it was that bad, but it's all rotted all through here. So I think I'm just gonna have to replace all of it, unfortunately. I didn't want to, but it's pretty crusty. But yeah, I think this is gonna be all for today, but I'll probably add a little bit to this video, but we're getting there slowly but surely. Just keep finding more and more rust. At this point in time, if this thing wasn't a Mark II, I probably would have been better off reshelling the machine, or reshelling the whole car. But awesome, I'll bring you back when I get some more stuff done. Hey guys, we're back. I got this thing all cleaned back. This black stuff you see here is actually a new rust reformer I bought. I don't know if I like it because I like the clear stuff a little bit better, but what I'll do before I put the floor in, I'll clean it all back and just make sure that it is all cleaned back and nice so I can actually spot weld to it. Problem is this side was a little rustier than the other side, so it's going to be a pain to put the spot weld to anyway. But yeah, I got it all cleaned back all the way back into there. Ordered this panel ordered this panel this week, and I went ahead and ordered these two panels here because they're kind of shot on both sides. What else did I find while we was cleaning up here? Hold on 1 minute. Let me drop this down here. Okay, so what else did I find? I'm gonna have to do a repair panel here and a little repair piece here. There was an MOT panel right here that I ended up cleaning up. I don't even know what it was there for. There's a nasty repair right here that I'm gonna have to fix, which looks like an MOT repair. I'm gonna have to clean that back and fix that, but that's once I get this floor off. And then we jump over to here. We have about the same issue right here. I'm gonna have to replace that, basically that whole top corner. But it wasn't that bad, actually. I was surprised. These aren't in bad shape at all. I'm hoping I'll be able to clean this back enough to give it a good spot weld, because I do have a spot welder. Next thing on the list is get in here and get this floor out on the inside, and then clean all that up. But I'll bring you back when the next. I got this lip cleaned up, and I'm going to have to pretty much repair all of it, which kind of sucks. But it is what it is, I guess. This car was rustier than I thought it was, for sure. It's a mess. This little botched repair here, I haven't quite figured out how I'm gonna tackle it yet. We'll see when I get into it, but yeah, it's pretty crusty. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of this video. Y'all have a good night. I still got a little bit to clean up over here and a little bit to clean up in here. But I'm finished for the day. But yeah, y'all have a good day.